A single light bulb in Iceland has been burning continuously for over 110 years. A truly astonishing feat. This unassuming incandescent bulb glows in a fire station, a silent testament to enduring technology. Imagine a simple invention, outlasting generations of its own kind, becoming a historical artifact itself. It's powered by a dedicated, low-wattage system, carefully managed to extend its lifespan indefinitely. This incredible longevity challenges our modern understanding of planned obsolescence and disposable goods. Why does this particular bulb defy all expectations of electrical components? Its story begins in a small town where a unique need for constant light sparked an unusual experiment. The local community wanted a reliable beacon, a symbol of unwavering service and presence. So, a very specific type of bulb was chosen, one with a hand-blown filament designed for maximum durability. Its wattage is incredibly low, around 60 watts, much less than typical household bulbs today. This gentle power draw significantly reduces the stress on the filament, preventing premature burnout. But that's not the strangest part of this enduring illumination. The bulb isn't just left on. It's part of a meticulously maintained electrical circuit. Engineers and local custodians have monitored its performance for decades, making subtle adjustments. It's like a patient in a long-term care facility, receiving constant, expert attention. The electricity supplied to it is also remarkably stable, avoiding power surges that could cause failure. Think of it as a perfectly calm environment, free from any disruptive forces. This consistent energy flow is crucial for the filament's integrity over such an extended period. Wait until you hear what comes next. The original inventor's philosophy was simple: create something built to last, not to be replaced. Prioritized over it has become a constant, powerful symbol of upgrades. This light bulb serves as a physical manifestation of that forward-thinking, almost philosophical, approach. Its impact goes far beyond just providing light for the fire station's bay.
It has become a powerful symbol of resilience and enduring quality in a fast-paced world.
People travel from all over to witness this remarkable technological survivor. It sparks conversations about sustainability and the value of long-lasting craftsmanship. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers have studied its unique filament structure, hoping to replicate its incredible durability. The lessons learned from the single bulb could influence future manufacturing processes. It's a living laboratory, demonstrating the principles of robust design and careful maintenance. Its steady glow reminds us that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most profound. This enduring light bulb demonstrates that with thoughtful design and care. Subscribe for more astonishing time. Fascinating. Subscribe for more astonishing time. Incredible stories like this. We've barely scratched the surface of the world's most amazing facts. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey through innovation, and share your thoughts in the comments below on what amazed you most. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Join our community of curious minds, exploring the wonders of our planet. Let us know what fascinating topics you'd like us to cover next. Your engagement helps us discover more incredible stories for you. Subscribe to keep the light of knowledge shining bright. We love hearing from you, so share your favorite trivia too. This humble bulb is a beacon of what's possible when we value endurance. It's a silent instructor, teaching us about the beauty of lasting things. The fire station, where it resides, is now a pilgrimage site for tech enthusiasts. They come to marvel at a piece of history that still performs its duty. The bulb's soft, warm light has illuminated countless moments over its long existence. It has seen generations of firefighters come and go, a constant presence. The electrical grid it's connected to is also a testament to thoughtful engineering. It was designed to support this specific, long-term load without fail. This meticulous attention to detail is the secret ingredient to its longevity. Imagine the resources saved by not constantly replacing such a fundamental item. This challenges the economic models built on frequent consumption and disposal. It's a powerful counter-narrative to the throwaway culture we often experience. The bulb's filament, a delicate tungsten wire, glows with an almost magical resilience. Its exact composition and manufacturing process are still subjects of intense study. Scientists are trying to unlock the secrets held within its glowing core. They analyze its performance metrics, looking for clues to its extraordinary lifespan. This isn't just an old light bulb, it's a scientific marvel in plain sight. Its enduring beam serves as a constant reminder of human ingenuity. It proves that with the right approach, we can create things that truly stand the test of time. Spark in this history of innovation. It illuminates not just a room, but also our understanding of what's achievable. Spark in this history of innovation, remarkable object, continues to inspire awe and curiosity worldwide. Its soft, steady light is a symbol of endurance and timeless quality. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible light bulb, please subscribe for more. And remember to like this video if you found it engaging and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.